In this video, I'll explain Power Automate and the difference between cloud and desktop flows. If you're from UiPath or RPA background, this will be super easy for you. Don't worry if you're a beginner, this is very easy to understand. And by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand where to use each one. Hi, I'm Devil the Automator, and I work on automation using UiPath and Power Platform. Let's get started. So basically, Power Automate is a Microsoft tool that helps you automate repetitive tasks. Let's say you are working in a company, and every day you are doing the same work, like sending emails, updating Excel files, downloading attachments. These tasks are repetitive and take time, but with Power Automate, you can automate these tasks so that the system does the work for you automatically. This is very similar to RPA tools like UiPath. So if you already know UiPath, you will find this very easy to understand. Now let's understand why companies use Power Automate. First, it helps save time. Imagine you are sending emails daily. It may take 1 to 2 hours, but automation can do this in minutes. Second, it reduces manual work. You don't need to repeat the same steps again and again. Third, it increases productivity. Employees can focus on important work instead of repetitive tasks. And finally, it reduces errors. Manual work can lead to mistakes, but automation ensures consistency. For example, copying data manually may cause errors, but automation does it accurately every time. Now, Power Automate mainly has two types: desktop flows and cloud flows. Let's understand both one by one. First, desktop flows. These are used for UI automation, similar to UiPath. They work directly on your system, interacting with applications like Excel, browser, or desktop software. For example, imagine you have a task like this: open Excel, read data, copy values, paste into another system, and save the file. Doing this manually takes time, but desktop flow can automate all these steps. So basically, desktop flow behaves like human interacting with the system. Now let's talk about cloud flows. These work differently. They are event-based. That means automation starts automatically when something happens. For example, when an email arrives, send notification. When a file is uploaded, trigger a process. When a form is submitted, store data. These flows run in the cloud, so they don't depend on your system. Even if your laptop is off, the automation will still run. This makes cloud flows very powerful for business processes. Now let's understand the difference in a simple way. Desktop flow is like doing work manually using your system. It interacts with applications and performs actions step by step. Cloud flow is like automation running automatically in the background, triggered by events. So, desktop equals UI-based automation, cloud equals event-based automation. In real-world companies, Power Automate is used in many scenarios. For example, invoice processing, email automation, daily report generation, file monitoring. These are real use cases where automation saves time and effort. This is why Power Automate is in high demand today. In the next video, I'll show how to install Power Automate Desktop and build your first automation. Subscribe for more automation tutorials.